Search on for alleged fugitive after reportedly chopping a man to death in Portland after an argument. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police have launched a search for a man who reportedly chopped another male to death in Portland. Reports from the police are that on Thursday, March 3rd around 2 a.m., a case of murder was committed in Shrewsbury District in Hope Bay Police area in the parish of Portland. The deceased has so far been identified as Tyrone Thompson O.C. Pucci, age 26, a mason of Shrewsbury District, Portland. Reports are that the deceased was at a party in Fruitful Vale District when an argument allegedly developed between the deceased and Cavell Blackett, O.C. Dada of Binns Lane, Shrewsbury District. Police report that Thompson left the party for home, and on his way home, he was reportedly met and attacked by Cavell Blackett, who allegedly chopped him to death. Blackett is being asked to surrender to the police without delay as he is sought for questioning with this case. We urge the citizens of Portland to continue work with us, the police said. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of this individual is asked to contact the nearest police station or the police emergency number 119. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.